Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about RichRise Withdrawal. Is the withdrawal real or fake? That is the questions I have been receiving recently. And in this video tutorial, I am going to be answering all that. All you need to do is to calm yourself down, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. Because in this very video, I am going to be exposing every single details which nobody is talking about in this platform. So this review video is going to open your eyes to the reality which you are supposed to know. So if you have been earning on this platform with the hope of cashing out and you don't really know if you will cash out, whether you will get paid or not, then this video tutorial is going to expose and reveal every single thing to you. Okay? But before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss, and what I do here on my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas, and updates on daily basis here on my channel. So all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates here is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified anytime I release new videos or update like this. And then if you enjoy videos like this and you want more update, you can check the link in the comment section of this video below to join my Telegram group. So let's start. But before we start, I would love to lay a disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational purpose only and not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice or guarantee any result. So therefore, you are always advised to make your own research and verify the authenticity of every platform before using them. So in this video, we'll be talking mainly on the withdrawing aspect of RichRise platform. Alright, previously I made a review video in regards to this very platform known as RichRise, and some people questioned the video saying that, boss, if you say that this platform is fake, then why are we seeing withdrawal notification? Because you can now see this notification, you just see that so person withdraws so amount to Access Bank, to his Access Bank. So that is the question people have been asking. All right, in this video, I'll be explaining it. I am going to make everything clear, understandable, so that we get to know the real truth about this very platform. Now that you see notification here, this is what we call system notification. That you are seeing this notification does not necessarily mean that this platform is legit. Okay, now here are the things you need to take note of. The thing you're supposed to ask yourself: if this platform claims to be paying, what is their source of income? These are the things you're supposed to ask yourself. Have you verified it? Of course, no. Who is the CEO? Where is their physical office? None of those things has been verified by anyone, according to my research and investigation at the time I was making this video. So how do you withdraw? To withdraw, when you come to cash, you see the option where they say did payment, and you need to have at least 320,000 before you'll be able to initiate withdrawal. They say that when you initiate withdrawal, it will show you successful. But it's not all about showing successful. The question is, will you get paid in your bank account? The answer is no. Why? Because this platform does not have any significant means of generating revenue for their user. Rather, this is what this platform does. They actually use their users as means of traffic to mobile apps and YouTube embedded videos on the platform. That is all the platform does. They don't make money. They don't have any way of making money. They just use users as means of traffic, and that's all. They use you to test their mobile games, promising you heavy money. Now, here are the red flags you need to take note of. How can a platform tell you that when you watch video, you will earn 9,600 naira per video, and when you invite friends, you earn 16,000, and when you do task, you earn 8,000 per task? Have you asked yourself that question? Where are they getting money from? Because one thing I personally know is that nobody plucks money from trade. So for this platform to be promising this huge amount of money, it means that something is fishy somewhere. And that's the reason why I am always telling my viewers to make research before using any platform. Now, the question here, is there any withdrawing proof from this platform? The answer is capital no. According to my research and investigation, revealed that no one has reportedly cashed out successfully from this platform. When you withdraw, they will show successful, but they will not pay the money. So that is just the truth. So if you have been making research or earning on this platform with the hope of cashing out, I am sorry to tell you guys that this platform has been confirmed a fake earning platform and does not pay their users. So that is nothing but the truth. So have you been using this platform? Have you tested it? What are your own personal experiences? You can also share your thoughts and opinion and experiences in the comment section of this video below. And then don't forget there is love in sharing. A lot of people have been performing endless tasks, watching endless video on this platform with the hope of making money without knowing that this platform is not actually what they think. So by you sharing this video today, you may be saving a lot of people time and effort. So share this video and may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you and remain sparky.